Everyone, and good morning. So finally, a little bit of joy after December. Well, December wasn't actually that bad because Aussie yen short, gold long, but here it is. So I jumped in the pound, and I believe I talked about it in detail in the previous video that I would have put up uh, maybe like 9 o'clock ish last night. I can't quite remember, but if you don't follow the channel, you see what I'm about. I keep it real. I take the trades. You know what? I had a detailed plan analysis as well. USD Swiss I didn't get into. Pound Aussie I didn't get into. I think I discussed why I didn't want the Pound Aussie compared to the Pound Yen. And the Aussie Kiwi is running a little bit on some semi-positive trade war news as well. So it is chugging along. The Pound Yen is a break even. This Aussie Kiwi is not quite a break even yet. This is why I do the videos, because I need to be accountable, because the trade management when I'm in a winning position is not super great. So yeah. Yeah, so it's not quite. This will need to get to 100. So it's 20 more pips or so. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Alright. So now that's probably going to be moved to break even soon as well. So I'm in a position to take a third trade. So let me explain. I really don't like more than 4% risk on the table at once. So let's have a look at the USD Swiss. Okay, so it's really sort of no. When I see this, it's a little concerning to me. Okay, so what that's saying is there's rejection there. It's happened before, time and time again. You can see these magenta arrows. It's where buyers and sellers are contesting things, and that's what's happening. So I'm going to let that pass for now. I want to see what the USD yen's doing. I'm just going to sip this coffee. You know what? I woke up thinking I had no expectations. You must do that. So you must risk money. This is also on my live account as well. On the live account, it's even better because I had a tighter stop. Because I was like, you know what? We'll go over the trade as well, but it feels a little bit nicer now. The USD CAD was not a great trade, to be honest, and I probably shouldn't have involved myself with that. But I got caught up in a little bit of fear of missing out, and I will not run away from that. Let's actually just have a little USD CAD and see what's I think there's a little bit of US dollar strength. Not really. Okay, so okay. So this is the probation account. They got back to me, Rich Jackson Capital, at the prop firm. So I'm going to leave these trades open. So this was also open on the 17th. Yes, it was. Yeah. So the pound was. So I'm going to leave this open, and then my next trade will be on the Max live account. So they want about 5 to 10% a month. And to be honest, for my current ability and system, that's a lot. So we'll see what happens, and then we'll go from there and see if they want to fund me or not. Obviously, I'm going to continue trading and I'm going to continue refining, and we're just going to go from there. So, all right. It's a Kiwi. We've gone over that. USD yen. Because there's a little bit of strength in the US dollar, but it's iffy. Oh, that's right. Let's see the Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar's a little bit stronger with the trade war situation. Okay, yeah. That's with the Kiwi. And to the viewers on the eastern coast of Australia, hope you're going okay. It's going to be hot tomorrow in Australia, in Perth, so I'm going to cop that. All right, so it's over 72. Sorry, Ron. I'm just trying to. I don't want to go long the Aussie as well against the US dollar and the Kiwi. I'm not going to really participate in that. What about? Well, it's curious to see what the pound's doing. Now, you were probably thinking, Scott, with the Brexit news and everything, but I just sort of trade what I see. I don't, if I back tested something, I just take it. So I understand, people saying, wow, the pound's pretty crazy with Brexit and everything. But, if technically, if it's a good trade, I'm going to take it. And it's still going as well, the cable. And geez, Louise. Okay. Oh, that's what I was going to do. I was going to discuss the pound yen. Okay. So for this trade, the stop was set at the 55 moving average. So I actually took this on the phone. Yeah, so it would have been around down here or so. It's changed obviously, and it was on the 4 hour too. It wasn't on the yeah, so it was like down here, and then it's taken off. So we'll see. Now, what I liked is how it sort of ramped up, but it was this candle here that really interested me. This, and I'm like, you know what? And I got in. So, and that's that really. So I'm going to continue updating. I want to see how the pound Aussie's going as well. It's out of curiosity. That's a strong coffee. Phone's blowing up a little bit as well. Who wants to talk to me? And I do have the risk disclaimers in place. Okay, so I'm not here to provide signals. I'm not doing that at all. I really do this just to keep myself accountable. Because it's so hard to remain disciplined in trading. Because you can sort of do whatever you want. So it's important for me to remain disciplined and continue showing. Yeah, so this wasn't quite good enough. I was watching this when it was doing this. So I was like, I can't enter there. Yeah, so we'll see. I mean, pound Aussie is a possibility as well. But that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. No trades today. Okay, thumbs up. Have a great day, everyone. And I'll be checking in tomorrow with an end of week update. Bye for now.